Today I woke up and decided I'm going to be a content creator. And what do all content creators have in common? Impeccable audio, obviously. So I forced my family out on a beautiful Saturday to delight in an afternoon of heat and overstimulation. Get in, losers, we're going shopping. I'm not driving today because I'm feeling particularly disassociative, and I'd like 5 seconds to detach entirely from reality. Oh, look, we're here. That drive was way too short, just like my ex's patience. The nice gentleman in the front pointed us in the right direction. My favorite part of that interaction was when he looked at me funny for filming in a public space. My oldest spotted the Legos, and I didn't have the heart to tell her that we're not supporting them until they cut ties with that weirdo CEO at Bricks and Minifigs. My 2-year-old spotted one of our cats in Lego form. I wonder how badly they'd freak out if we brought him home. Meet Nas and Felix. They're both entitled and really soft. Nas speaks like a human, and Felix opens doors like a skinwalker. My oldest is obsessed with the notion of driving. She's trying to subliminally mind control me into letting that happen. Oh look, it's the Twilight House. Bella. Where the hell have you been, Loca? Okay, I need to focus. My medication's wearing off. Low-key, Best Buy's one of my favorite stores because I'm a Y2K tech girly. Forever. My favorite part of seeing people that you know out in public is everyone pretending like we didn't see each other. At this point, a man with audacity approached us. He asked how we were doing and if we needed help finding anything. We politely let him know that we were looking for the DJI Mic Mini. He scoffed a little and said, "We don't have those in store." I replied with, "Sure you do." I called 2 hours before leaving my house to ensure this location had them in stock. He piddled away just to send someone else back with my new DJI Mic Mini in hand. I was exhilarated, knowing I had just crushed his ego. Before I left, I reminded him that he should smile more. Bag secured. Cha-ching, playa. Let's unbox this thing. Oof, I love the feeling of taking off the protective covering. That's what she said. This thing is really pretty. They gave me a lot of plastic and some stickers, along with the continued ability to stunt on these hoes. This thing included the receiver, 2 transmitters, a charging case, a carrying pouch, 2 clip magnets, Type-C mobile phone adapter, 4 windscreens, a USB-C charging cable, and its documents. This thing is sleek, heavy duty while still lightweight. Each transmitter weighs 10 grams. Do you know what 10 grams looks like? It states high-quality audio with stable transmission, 48-hour operation with the case. We'll see. It provides direct connection for premium sound quality. It provides 2-level active noise canceling. It has automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. This thing is legit. I'm very happy with my DJI Mic Mini, especially at the price point. This is definitely worth my time and energy. I love me some tech. DJI, sponsor me. If you want to see this thing in action, that's on my next one. See you on the next one, playa.
Oh, is it bright?